Okay, next up, the operating budget for the upcoming fiscal year. Utilities are above what the UN cleared for funding, guys.
I'll handle it. Move on, Cyborg.
Wonder Woman merchandise did very well this year. I can step up when the Wayne Foundation falls short.
You're kidding, right?
Okay, let's just agree we have this covered. What else?
Just the Excalibur incident. Only 3 bodies recovered.
I've got my guards investigating the impact area. Star Labs wanted some rock samples.
All right, well, if that's it, we'll meet next Thursday. Same bad time, same bad channel.
I won't be here.
Why?
Yeah, if I can be here, you can be here.
Dude, it takes you all of 3 seconds to get here and back.
2 at most, but point taken.
I have a meeting with the headmaster at Damien's boarding school.
No way. Batman has a parent-teacher conference? That's great.
Are you in the PTA too? Tell me you're in the PTA.
I'm Batman. We need more chaperones for homecoming. Who has to be convinced to sign up?
I'm just joking. I think that's great. Is he still glaring at me?
We could just push the meeting back to that evening.
Can't. I've got rehearsal dinner that night.
Is he in a play?
He's getting married. Somehow.
Yep, married the next day. Limos, banquet hall, DJ, the whole shebang. Just immediate family, you understand.
Does Iris know?
She better. She picked the date.
No, I mean, does she know about you?
Are you kidding? I told her ages ago.
Oh, geez, Soups, you can't drop a bomb like that on the honeymoon.
Aren't you worried?
About what?
About bringing her into your world. The dangers. The sacrifice.
Clark, that's what marriage is all about.
This calls for a toast. We've got some beer in the fridge. I know. Milk for you.
Congratulations. Where are you going? Fiji? Bora Bora? SeaWorld?
Okay, Flash, there are times when speed is not good.